Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and welcome! Welcome to today's live chat and week 3 of our Make It Monday warehouse sale event. Oh my gosh, we have taken all the product down. We're taking out all the items that have sold out. We're gonna add a whole bunch of new stuff and new manufacturers and then put it all back on the site just as soon as this live chat is over. So if you're watching us during the premiere, that would be 5 p.m. sunny California time on Monday, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. You may see a live chat going on over here. Hello, hi everybody. Wait till you see what's going up today. And if you don't see a live chat going on, that means the sale has either already started or perhaps it's ended by now, since I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this. So today I'm going to walk you through the manufacturers that we're adding for this week's event. And remember, we've taken everything down. We're going to sort everything out. Anything that is sold out will come off the site, but anything that is still available from previous weeks will be added back in. So you'll have a little bit of the older stuff from week 1 and week 2, plus a whole bunch of new stuff from week 3. This is a very unusual event. It is, nobody else has an event like this anywhere, online, in store, anywhere. The product is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. It is, really, it is. But there are some definite terms and conditions and do's and don'ts and whys and what fors and why nots that you need to be aware of. If you go back to week 1, if you go to our website and you look for the Make It Monday category, or on our homepage, you can just scroll down on the homepage until you see where it says Make It Monday. You can click into that. And the week 1 video is available for you, because you do need to know the do's, the don'ts, the whys, the what fors, the why nots of this event before you place your order. I want to give you as much information so that you make an informed decision before you, not me, you hit the submit button. Better that you know ahead of time and then say, you know what, this is not the sale for me. I don't care if it is 90% off, or you say, sign me up. I would never be able to afford this product at full price. So if I have to wait a little bit, waiting a little bit is better than never. I leave it to you to make that decision. Just know that we mean what we say and we say what we mean. Now, those of you, we'll get phone calls. Well, I heard what she said, but she really didn't mean it, did she? I actually do mean it. All the good and the wahoo and the kachoo, I mean all of that too. So week 1, I believe we are done filling week 1's orders, and we may be done shipping week 1's orders. If you had it from the warehouse sale, we may be finished with them. I know we have begun week 2. We might still be shipping the end of week 1. I know we have begun filling week 2, and we may be shipping some of those orders as well. So I know that you are getting your product and that you are so excited, and we are excited for you. And thank you for the lovely emails you have been sending. I've been sharing them with the staff. They're wonderful. It encourages them. It makes them feel they take pride in what they do. And when somebody recognizes that, other than me, because I tell them they do a great job, but when somebody outside of me tells them, the smile on their face, and there's a little light in their eye, and they stand a little bit taller. It's always nice to be recognized. And we are a small mom and pop shop. Today we got compared to a couple big ones. They both start with S. Huge. Well, I mean, huge businesses. And somebody compared us to them. We are not them. We're a little scrapbooking store here in Canyon Country, California. We're in the Taco Bell Plaza. Literally, I can see Taco Bell. We're tucked away in this little corner that you wouldn't even know is back there. And so we are not those 2 massive companies. So please understand that while they are amazing and they are able to offer things that we can't offer, we are also amazing and we're able to offer things that they can't offer. We just run differently. There's 7 of us. That's it, 7. So be kind. And she She told us that she's an attorney. Like, okay. I still don't know how to help you. But yes, we are not those super big businesses. So we appreciate that everybody understands. We are just like your local down the block mom and pop shop if you still have one. Now today I've got some fabulous manufacturers for you with oodles of product. Remember, patience is key. I can't help it if you put something in your cart and you don't check out quick enough and somebody else purchases it. That's out of my control. There's no way for us to put a timer on your cart that says these products are locked up for a certain amount of time. We're small. In fact, I don't even know that any website actually does that. So some of these items we have one of, some of these items we have 100 of. What I'm going to show you today, we tried to pull things that we have a much bigger quantity of, so that it's not that I'm showing you one item and there's only one of it. So just remember to bring your patience. The faster you shop, the faster you check out, the better opportunity you have to not have to modify your cart and take something out, or wait a day or two and let all the craziness go right by you, and then you can log in and at your leisure shop, because after the first 2 days each week, it really just drops way down and you can shop at your leisure at 90% off. All right, I'm gonna tilt on down. I'm gonna show you what we have today. I hope you like it all. And remember, we have 5 Mondays in the month of July, and this is just week number 3, so there's more to come. All right, down I go. It's good to see everybody. If I sound like a broken record, I'm sorry. I know many of you know the terms, the conditions, the rules. You can probably recite them back to me better than me. All right, so let's start. I have got art impression for you, art impressions. So we've got some of their product going up online. This is one of the manufacturers, and it's got the little stamp, it's got the little die, it's even got the little wobbler in there so that you can make the little bell wobble. Really cute. And they'll be 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. So also from Art Impressions, ho, ho, ho. Again, you've got the stamp, you've got the die, you've got the wobbler to make his little mustache jiggle jiggle. Super cute. So Art Impressions is part of this week's event. I have got pink in Maine. And look at here, I've got Halloween pink in Maine. Gosh, this is the perfect time to get it. We'll have it to you way before Halloween for sure. If we're already starting to pull week number 2 and this is week number 3, that's a wahoo ka-choo. But I also have Christmas from pink in Maine. Look at that, and up to 90% off. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. And these are layering, so you've got the background that you can do in a lighter color and then come in with a darker color over the top. So you've got some layering going on there. I have got Your Next Stamp. Look at walk the dog, grooming, pet sitting. Looks like a little journaling set if you have pets. Isn't that cute? And here, look at, gosh, these almost have a lawn fawney, but these feel very journaling. Fundraiser, PTA meeting, a little bit of everything. Look at all the little icons you've got. Gosh, that'd be cute for a teacher, wouldn't it? Look at all those little icons. Then I've got Flora and Fauna, and I want to show you, the stamps are a little yellowed. Now they still work great and they may come to you a little yellowed, but at the price we're selling them for, you're going to have to be okay with that. So we've got some Flora and Fauna going on. Again, a little yellowed. Doesn't mean that the stamps don't work. And this is Flora and Fauna. Then it looks like I've got some Just Right happening. This is a big stamp, which you can then take and use your trimmer and trim out different portions of it. You can take a die and die cut it, but I've got Just Right going on for you. Such a pretty stamp. And these look like mementa. So we've got alphabet. Look at that. Wow. AAB. Oh, it's upper and lowercase. 56 pieces. You've got upper and lowercase stamps going on here. Oh, this is a great value. Holy smokes, artichokes. If you need an alphabet and you want them in stamps and you want upper and lower, this is a great way to go. Yeah, you've got upper and lower. Love that. And this is by Momenta. Then I've got some Artsy products where we've got, it looks like we've got stamps, we've got stencils going on. It says that there's 27 pieces here. That's nice. Oh yeah, you've got all the different stamps going on and the stencil to go with it. And this is all by Artsy. Oh, here's another Just Right. Tea, coffee, coffee time, tea time. Enjoy life. A sip by sip. Beautiful minds inspire others. You're a cheery cup of friendship. Oh, these are cute. I love these. Look at how darling are the sentiments. You're a cheery cup of friendship. Your kindness touches my heart. Oh, powered by coffee, powered by tea. That's cute. So again, from Just Right. Then I have got Sweet and Sassy for you. Ooh, aren't those cute? Love these. But the one I really, really love is here from Sweet and Sassy. Look at that. That's beautiful. At up to 90% off. Now, I don't know if this one's 50% off or 60% off or 70% off or 80% off or 90% off, but we do have the product up to 90% off. Then we've got some Spellbinders leftovers that again, 80, 90% off. They've got to go. If you've got a Sizzix Big Shot machine, well, here you go. If you've got a Platinum Plus, a Vagabond, Big Kick, Fold Away, a Big Shot Pro. We've got some steel rule dies for you and some of their stamps and a cute little, so it's a little banner that has a little bird sitting right on top of it. So we've got some Spellbinders for you. And then we have what's left of Stampendous. So everything that we have that is left from Stampendous is on sale. Everything from simple dies all the way to the cute little frame and pals. Now with the dies, what everybody told me that they did is they took this and photocopied this, and that way they could go and die cut because there are no stamps for these. So they photocopied the liner and they could go in and color and do their own and die cut. Absolutely, up to 90% off. And gosh, I think we still even have some of their glitter left. So, oh, and then let me show you. Do you like alcohol ink? We have all, and I do mean all, of the Couture Creations alcohol inks on sale. Whether they have the glitter in them or not, we have, I want to say, 80 different colors of alcohol inks on sale from Couture Creations. So we are moving forward with the Jacquard product. So all of our alcohol inks from Couture Creations are going on sale. These I want to say are 40% off, but they're very, I want to say this one's like $3.75 less 40%. So whether it has glitter or pearlescence or just a straight color or metallic, they are all going to be on sale, and that is from Couture Creations. Right, so if you love alcohol inks, this is a great time to pick up colors, even if you don't need them. You just store them away and keep the caps on them, and then when you're out of a color, you've got a color to go. Love them. So these are also part of our Make It Monday warehouse sale, week number 3. I don't know, there's some really, really pretty things here this week. Some really, really useful things for you this week, and it's all up to you if this is the sale for you or not. Watch that week 1 video listen to everything I have to say, and then you decide whether this is something you want to participate in, or you would rather just find this at full price and have it in a few days. We leave that decision entirely up to you. Hey everybody, I'm back. So, I also want to remind you that on August 14th, we will have an announcement for you. Following our Make It Monday event, there will be a separate video that will come up immediately following our August 14th Make It Monday, an announcement from Scrapbooking Made Simple. We certainly hope you join us for that. And again, week 3, so I have 2 more weeks of warehouse sale offerings to bring you, and then we'll take a step back from it and then maybe do it again in the month of December. I've already started purchasing product for December. Wait till you see what I have. I can't get it here in time to do it for July. I can't. It's got to come over on a boat. But wait till you see what I scored. But that's for December. So I'm going to talk for just a minute or two because we have to turn all of this product on. SMS girl Elena and I are moving as fast as we possibly can to get all of this turned on. And remember, you will find it under the Make It Monday category on our website. On the left-hand side, there's a column that says categories, and there's one that says Make It Monday. Or just stay on the home page of our website, scroll down, you'll see Make It Monday, you'll see our Thursday Expedite, you'll see our Saturday with Stacy YouTube, all on that home page, and you just click right on that image and it will take you to the category. Patience is key. Excitement is required. Savings is mandatory, and feeling like, wow, I scored is what I'm hoping for. That's what I hope you take away. That when you may not be able to get everything you wanted, so you're gonna have to be quick. The things you do get, the things that are in your basket as you check out, I want you to feel like, oh my gosh, I just absolutely scored. That would make my heart happy. All right, you guys, I think we've got it all turned on by now. I'm hoping. The first week we crashed, but we got it fixed. So I'm hoping we're all up and running. Please know you do have right now 3 payment options. I'm not sure how long it will stay that way. You can pay via credit card, just your credit card, normal anyway, normal how we normally do it, any credit card, any major credit card. You can pay via PayPal. You don't have to pay via PayPal. You can choose to pay via PayPal, or you can choose a pay later. Just know if you choose a pay later, your order will ship in a normal shipping time frame. It will not be expedited out to you like we've been doing. So regular credit card, pay with any major credit card, you're good. You want to do PayPal, that's a second option. It's there for you, easy peasy. Or third, lock up the sale prices, and as soon as we send you an invoice via PayPal, you can pay with any major credit card. So it is me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, saying woo, 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 woo. Week 3, very exciting. I hope you enjoy. I hope you find something that'll make your heart happy, and I will see you again on Thursday for our Creative Expressions, brand new product from Creative Expressions, value priced, amazing bundles, but that will have to wait until Thursday, and mark your calendars for August 14th. All right, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye. It's me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Toodles.